Hi friends, this is Nageshwam. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use and create sections in Microsoft Office OneNote 2007. Open OneNote 2007. Here, I have opened a notebook with the name Employee Names. On the top, we will get some tabs which is called as sections. As we all know, each section will be presented with some guidelines to use that sections. These are predefined sections generated with the template. To create the sections, we have multiple ways. Come to standard toolbar and we can click on the new, which will create the sections defaultly. Now I got a new section and it is highlighted. We need to enter the name. After that, click enter. We can also create the sections by clicking on arrow next to new. Here we will get different options. Please select the option section. Again, please enter the name. Click enter. Again, to create the sections, we have one more option. Come to file, navigate to new. Here we'll get the same options and we can also select from here. And we have one more easiest option. Simply right click on the sections area and you will get new section and new section group. Select new section. After this, I want to remove the sections that I don't use. For this, simply right click on the section and please click on delete. And you will get a warning, are you sure you want to delete the following section? Click yes to confirm this and the section will be deleted from this notebook. After creating and deleting the sections, now I want to rename few sections with the names which identifies my tasks. Right click on the section, select rename, enter a name for this, salespersons, enter, and we can also double click on this. Now the section is highlighted and we can enter the name, enter. OneNote offers a nice feature to arrange the section sequence. Here I want to bring the directors and administration before the salespersons. For this, simply click on this and we will get a little arrow on the top and drag it to place in the new location. Again, for administration, click, drag and drop it here. And we can also move the sections by right click on a section. In the options, please select move. Now it will show all the sections in this notebook, and on the top we got the section name to be moved, and we need to select the section to place our moving section before or after that. Come to the open notebook. I want to move research after planning, so please select planning and click on move after. Now the research section will be placed after the planning. We all know OneNote automatically applies color code when we are creating the sections. We can also modify the color code with our favorite colors. For that, right click on the section and navigate to section color. From here we can select our favorite color. We can select the colors according to our priority. So that we can effectively organize the notebooks. And we can also select color code from format tab. Come to format, navigate to section color, and here we will get same options. Select the color. And if you want to place the same colored sections together one after another by moving them, simply select the section and drag it. Like this, we can use and create sections in Microsoft Office OneNote 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.